Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you. I'm making today a wonderful coconut cream pie. It's very simple. You start with a pie pan like this. This is a glass one. I recommend using glass. You can use metal if you want to. It needs to be at least 2 inches deep. I'm putting a little bit of butter on my butter wrapper, and I'm going to butter this pan very heavily. Make sure it's all the way around. Get that butter in there. Good. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to remove this out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go over all the ingredients with you. You can see most of them on the table right here. I've got about 1.5 cups of shredded coconut. When you buy it, it might look about like this. And this is a little bit too coarse for me. This is regular unsweetened coconut. I like a little less sugar in my diet. And those I cook for are sugar conscious as well. So anyway, with this type of coconut, I noticed it was a little bit too large of pieces, so I ran it through the food processor to give it this texture right here. And this texture right here is quite a bit finer. I'm just going to toss that in there. Anyway, that's what you're looking for right there. So we've got the coconut, which is 1.5 cups. We've got 3 large eggs, and those are at room temperature. We've got 2 cups of whole milk at room temperature. We've got 1 cup of granulated sugar. We've got some fresh vanilla extract, the real stuff, the pure stuff. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons. We've got right here about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got 4 ounces of melted butter, and we're going to start combining this here. So obviously the way to do it is step 1, you want to get those eggs moving here. Copper bowl is ideal if you've got one. If not, that's okay. Any bowl will work. So my eggs go in just like this. Okay, I'm going to beat them up. Next ingredient is sugar. I like to put a little bit at a time. Okay, next we've got the vanilla, 2 teaspoons, just like that. Okay, milk goes in, just like this. Oh yeah, smells so good. It's gonna be good. Okay, melted butter all goes right in. Okay, so now for my dry ingredients, I prefer to use a small sifter, just like this one right here. And I'm going to put my dry ingredients in. incorporate all these ingredients. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Oh yeah. I'm going to combine them together very quickly and put them in the pie pan. This is a very unique recipe. The flour ends up going to the bottom of the pie pan and becoming a type of a crust. And the coconut rises to the top and gets nice and brown. So here we go. Coconut goes in all at once. Mix it up nice and even. Okay, right into my buttered dish. If you notice, I've got a cookie sheet with parchment paper, just in case we overflow it all. All right, goes just like this. Get it all in there. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to be baking this pie at 350 Fahrenheit and baking it until it's done, of course. So I'll be back when it's coming out. I'm going to guess it's going to take about 55 minutes. We shall see on that. You want to be very, very careful when you're moving this. And, ooh, it's going to be good. Hi, how's it look? Yeah, check out this recipe. Make sure to try it out. And like, share, subscribe, support your sponsors. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh, that's gonna be good. This pie is starting to cool. I wanted to show you two things very interesting on this recipe here. The coconut has risen to the top. It's all on the top and it's browned very, very nicely. And the flour has sunk into the bottom. And if you can see right through the glass, the flour has made a really nice crust on the bottom. I will enjoy a slice and serve some of this a little later. Make sure to try out the recipe. Okay, the finished slice of pie. Here we go. I'm garnishing with a little bit of this cream fresh. As well as a little bit of coconut flakes right over here. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, you can subscribe right there. Click that little button there. Get cooking and have a great day. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Yeah, we gotta have that. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly, People ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4. And it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long, long time. Maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay. And we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled. And I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm almost done. Alright. So, that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. And I'll show you one more trick. By utilizing 2 silicone trivets, can score this and this at the sponsor, trivets as well. These can go underneath, so you can set them on your countertop, put the oiled side down, and you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later, or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut. Big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow. I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food-safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours.